Hey guys, welcome to ztasalons. So this is a quick introduction to vendor dashboard. Before entering the dashboard, you have to enter your credentials, login page, username or the email address, and the password. You will get an OTP, and you have to enter that OTP. So this is a vendor dashboard. So you can see a lot of options. There are so many options. So this is the main dashboard. This is the home page. You can see gross sales of this month, admin sold in this month, orders. You can see your orders here. If somebody books something from your store, you can see your order here. This is the notification. Questions asked by the customers or users. This is your profile. This is the first thing you have to do. You have to set your password first when you create your account. So for first name, last name, email address. This is already verified. Once you verify your email address, you can see this email address. Email is already verified. This is the phone number. You can change your password here. This is about your store. There are so many options you can explore. Social media, if you have social media handler, you can add this social media here. Verification, you can apply for the verification. So you need to give us some ID proof, like national ID card, password, driver license. This is the store name. You can change it anytime you want. You can also change the business type and your phone number. So this is the product page. So you can see all the products. You can also edit them. These are your products for the booking bookable, which were added by you for the vendor. As you can see, you can add unlimited products. There are no limits. If you get some order, you can see this. You can see the orders here. You can see the orders here. If you want to update them, you have to click on the order, and you can click on the order status. Once you get the order, you have to click on processing, and you have to update it immediately. Once the order is completed or the booking is completed or the service is completed, you have to click here completed, and you have to enter update. The main thing is booking. So you have to create bookings here. In order to create bookings, you have to create a bookable. So this is a form field which you have to fill all these fields. First thing is bookable product, and the product title goes here, and the short description, which can be in 100 words, which is a description. Description means you can add as many as the description you want. It can be 100 words, 200 words, a para, or anything. You can also leave it blank. These are the categories which are very important. If you are selling men related products, you have to click on men, and if you want subcategories, you can click here. You can click on this arrow. You can see all these uh, subcategories. If you want to add some new category, you can add it here, and you can assign it to any parent category. So men, women, kids, unisex, these are parent categories. You have to ignore it. There is no need to say anything. brands, you can leave it. You have to enter the tags. Tags are very important uh, for the so that you have to enter the tags so that customer can find your products easily in data terms. Product visibility, you have to leave it like this. And the booking duration, obviously, it will be a fixed block of 1 hour. If you want to create a bookable for 1 hour, you can choose 1 hour. Or if you want to create a bookable for 2 hours, you can set it for 2 hours. Channel is always visible. Default. Shipping is not required. Tax is not required. Attributes not required. Availability. This is a very important. So maximum bookable block. So if you want to give service for next 12 months, you can choose this. You can enter 12. If you want to give service to next 3 months down the line, you can enter 3. So which is 3 months or 2 months, which is recommended. Maximum bookings per block, you can add it as many as you want. Like for one order for one customer, you can choose one. You can set it for one, or you can set it for 5, or you can choose the number. Require buffer period. If you want a break between bookings, you can add the buffer period here. Maybe 30 minutes or 1 hour. Available by default, not available by default. All dates are not available. So if you want to restrict some days, you can add those days here. Maybe you don't want to provide service on Sunday or Saturday. You can select those days here. Sunday, Saturday, Friday, whatever the day you want. First block, you have to leave it here. Leave it like this. Date range. Date range with time. This is very important. We have to choose this date range with time. From, you can choose the date from 20. I'm choosing this today's date. You can choose it for next 3 months or 2 months or 1 month. From this is to opening time, which is 9 a.m. or it could be 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. You have to enter A. You enter A, it will be a.m. 50. If you want to enter p.m., you have to enter P. Bookable. Yes, it should be a bookable. Priority, you can give any number out of 10. Then you have to submit. That's it. You have created a bookable product. And you have to enter the cost, which is very important, base cost and the display cost. So which cost you want to display in the website. This is the display cost. Blog cost, you have to leave it blank. Maybe it could be 100, it could be 120. So rules, there are many rules. You can explore it furthermore. There are many rules here. Like if you can give some uh, discount on this particular date, you can set that date here. On that date, you can reduce the base cost for like 5 rupees or 10 rupees. You can do that on 29. From 29 to 30, I will from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. I can deduct 5 rupees or I can give concession of 5 rupees here. So which will reduce the cost. Uh, and the cost will be 115 rupees. This is the display cost. SEO, you have to enter the